Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable flashlight in Motorola Moto X40. And to do this you will need to drag down your notification bar, then drag down again. Right here you should find a flashlight. If not, you might need to click on this pen button and then find it on the bottom right here and drag it to your available shortcut tiles. There's also a different method to do this, and you can go to your settings, find a gestures tab, right here scroll down again, and there's a fast flashlight. And if you enable it, you can perform a chopping motion with your phone while holding it, and it should enable a flashlight. But for me that most of the time doesn't work, because as you can see I'm trying, but yep, it doesn't work. You can try it if you like, and maybe it will work for you. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.